I'm sure you've heard the news. You don't need to be a tech genius to fix that cracked tablet screen. Let's dive into this simple step-by-step guide. First things first, grab your tools. You'll need a replacement screen, a small screwdriver, a suction cup, and a plastic pry tool. Ready? Let's go. Step 1. Power off your tablet and remove the back cover. Be gentle, no one likes more cracks. Step 2. Unscrew the tiny screws holding the screen in place. Keep those screws organized, trust me on this one. Step 3. Use the suction cup to lift the cracked screen slightly, then slide the pry tool underneath to pop it off. Go slow to avoid damaging anything else. Step 4. Disconnect the screen's ribbon cable. It's like unplugging a tiny Lego piece. Now swap in your shiny new screen. Step 5. Reconnect the ribbon cable, secure the new screen, and screw everything back together. Don't forget the back cover. Great job. Power it on to check your work, and there you have it, a tablet screen that's as good as new. DIY repairs can feel intimidating, but you nailed it. Remember, a little patience and the right tools can save you big bucks. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more easy DIY tips. Catch you next time.